Hey everyone, today I want to share with you an incredible fact about frogs. Did you know that frogs can actually breathe through their skin? It sounds almost like a superpower, but it's totally real. This special ability is called cutaneous respiration, which means that frogs don't just rely on their lungs to breathe. Instead, they can absorb oxygen directly through their skin. This allows them to stay underwater for surprisingly long periods without needing to come up for air. Now you might be wondering, how does this even work? Well, frogs have very thin, highly permeable skin that lets oxygen pass through. Their skin needs to stay moist for this to happen, because oxygen dissolves in the water on their skin's surface, then diffuses directly into their bloodstream. It's kind of like the skin is acting as a giant natural gill. This is especially useful when frogs are underwater during hibernation, or when they need to hide from predators. Since they don't have to surface constantly to breathe, it helps keep them safe and comfortable in their aquatic environment. But there's a catch. If a frog's skin dries out, it simply can't breathe properly through it. This is why frogs are almost always found in damp environments like ponds, swamps, or rainforests, where the humidity keeps their skin moist. In fact, frogs have to be really careful about where they live, because dry skin could be fatal. Some species have even developed behaviors like being more active at night or staying close to water to prevent dehydration. What's even more fascinating is that this breathing through the skin doesn't just supplement their lungs. In some situations, it actually replaces lung breathing completely. For example, some frogs can absorb enough oxygen through their skin to survive underwater during the entire winter hibernation period. Their lungs slow down or stop working entirely, and their skin becomes the main organ for breathing. This shows just how amazing and adaptable these creatures really are. This cutaneous respiration isn't unique to frogs. Some other amphibians and certain aquatic animals also use it. But frogs are among the most well-known for this ability. It's part of what makes them so interesting to scientists and nature lovers alike. It's also a reminder of how diverse and strange life on Earth can be, animals developing all sorts of clever ways to survive in their environments. So next time you see a frog sitting on a wet rock or floating calmly in a pond, remember, it's not just relaxing, it's also breathing through its skin. Nature never stops surprising us with its incredible inventions, and frogs are a perfect example of that. If you enjoyed learning this cool fact today, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing stories about animals and science. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.